Hello students, welcome back to the class. So in the last class we are discussing regarding rate of a chemical reaction. हम last class से पढ़ी थिलु rate of a chemical reaction. So rate of a reaction is of two types. दुई प्रकार कहितली कौन ना average rate and instantaneous rate. So average rate is the total change in concentration of the reactant or product over the total time period, whereas the instantaneous rate is the small change in the concentration of reactant or product over a small time period, and it is more feasible, more practical to use the instantaneous rate of reaction. So कहती तुमको it is more feasible to use the instantaneous rate. Then next today we will discuss how to express rate of a reaction. So next, expression of rate. Expression of rate of reaction. गोटे रेट टाको आम केमती एक्सप्रेस करबा रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन. So how to express it? कहि तुमको ऑलरेडी we can follow the concentration of the reactant as well as the product. So we can express the rate of a chemical reaction with respect to reactant, with respect to the product also. So for a hypothetical reaction, A moles of A combined with B moles of B to produce C moles of C and D moles of D. So you are acquainted with this type of hypothetical equation, acquainted already. Yeah, small a, b, c means they are the stoichiometric coefficient or number of moles. Simple भाषा में कहले they are the number of moles of the reactant and product taking part in the chemical reaction. ताले A moles of reactant A combines with B moles of reactant B to produce C moles of product D and D moles of product D. Okay, so these are the reactants. These are the products. After Kauchi, we can follow the rate of the reaction with respect to both reactant as well as product. So for this, what will the expression of rate? Rate of the reaction will be equal to minus 1 by A dA by dt with respect to A है जो कहते हैं ना minus 1 by A. जोटा stoichiometric coefficient अच्छी that will become reciprocal. So it will be the reciprocal of stoichiometric coefficient simply with respect to B कहते हैं जो minus 1 by B concentration change in concentration of B over a small time period dt. Okay, which will be equal to with respect to product भी हम express कर परिवा सेठी कौन है जो for C ना plus 1 by C dC by dt dC by dt which will be equal to plus 1 by d by dt. Okay, so these are the different ways means to express the rate of a reaction. आमे चारि प्रकार express करछु with respect to these two are with respect to reactant, these two are with respect to product. We can usually mark there is a negative sign here, there is a positive sign here. So does it mean that with respect to the reactant, the rate of reaction is negative? No. Rate of the reaction is invariably a positive quantity. Rate of reaction can be negative hobo nahi, it is invariably सब बेले a positive quantity. So this is with respect to reactant. So the negative sign here means that the concentration of the reactant is decreasing per unit time. So कहिछि तुमको already during the chemical reaction the concentration of the reactant goes on decreasing. तेणु negative sign टा कहीं use कराइछि only to show that the concentration of the reactant is decreasing over the time period. सेमति एटा देखा plus sign अछि. So it does not mean that the rate of the reaction is positive for the product. It is always positive. कहिछि already. So plus sign is used here to show that the concentration of the product is increasing over the time period. ताहले एठी कोन पय देखा होछि that is concentration of reactants are decreasing is is decreasing. We are following one only. Concentration of the reactants is decreasing. So the negative sign is used. तोरा मन रखियो छुआ केबे कंफ्यूज होबनी नेगेटिव साइन टा काहे कि रहला एटी पॉजिटिव साइन काहे रहला लिखियो छुआ दैट इज concentration of products is increasing जेहेतु बढ़ुची से लेके प्लस साइन यूज करछु सो द पॉजिटिव साइन इज यूज्ड इन केस ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स ताले मन रखिबो प्रोडक्ट पे हमें पॉजिटिव साइन दोछु ओनली टू शो दैट their concentration is increasing and the negative sign दोछु to show that their concentration is decreasing. So we will apply it for a general reaction or normal reaction को apply करियो मन रखियो छुआ जोडा stoichiometric coefficient हबो rate expression ने सेटा कोन हिजबो they will be reciprocal. With respect to reactant negative sign will be used, with respect to product positive sign will be used. So for Haber's process what Haber's process na N2 gas plus 3H2 gas gives rise to 2NH3 gas. So for this reaction let us see what is the expression of rate. Now rate expression will be like this, rate is equal to minus d N2 concentration of N2 by dt कहीं की ना डी कोएफिशिएंट 1 अछि तनो -1/1 माने कनो खाली माइनस इज इक्वल टू -1/3 dH2 बाय dt एटी कोएफिशिएंट केते अछि 3 रिएक्टेंट अछि तनो माइनस साइन लागिवो इज इक्वल टू प्लस 1/2 d NH3 by dt. So this is how generally the rate is expressed with respect to reactant and product. Okay, so you have to remember like this. So this is the general expression of rate of a chemical reaction. Then next we will learn how to find out the rate of appearance and the rate of disappearance. कोई चीज हुआ reactant उड़ा they disappear and the products they appear. Reactants they are consumed and the products they are formed. So we can find out the rate of formation or rate of appearance of the product, then rate of disappearance or rate of consumption of the reactant with respect to these expressions. So next we will learn it. Okay. So next students will know how to calculate the rate of appearance and the rate of disappearance. So again for the same reaction, hypothetical reaction, A moles of A combined with B moles of B giving rise to C moles of C and D moles of D. What is the expression of rate? Now rate expression will be like this. What is it already? Minus 1 by A dA by dt which will be equal to minus 1 by B dB by dt which will be equal to plus 1 by C dC by dt which will be equal to plus 1 by D d by dt. Already I have explained regarding this, so I will explain karuni. So the stoichiometric coefficient will be their reciprocals. Reciprocals will use have with respect to reactant negative sign lagibo, with respect to product positive sign lagibo. So what are these negative and positive signs? Na kahi chhi chua during the course of the reaction kon hue na initially reaction ne kebol reactants thanti product forming thanti. So initially the concentration of product is 0. Reactant concentration बहुत high था, gradually decreases. तेणु they disappear, reactants they disappear or they get consumed. तेणु reactant पे कोउ टर्म लगे छुआ rate of disappearance or consumption. सेमती product 0 थांती धीरे धीरे they appear or they are formed. तेणु product पे कोन लगिवो the rate of formation or rate of appearance. So we will learn how to calculate the rate of appearance and the rate of disappearance. So look, here A and B are reactants. तेणु ये कैसे कौन हबो rate of disappearance or consumption. So मन को हिसाब करियो छुआ rate of disappearance. of A, reactant A. केता हो छुआ को रेट डिसअपियर करूची ना इट विल बी माइनस dA by dt. ओके A इज द रिएक्टर तेनु से को रेट रे डिसअपियर बा कंज्यूम होची कंजम्पशन भी किछि वर्ड यूज हेतिबो रेट ऑफ कंजम्पशन जहा रेट ऑफ डिसअपियरेंस से सेमती रेट ऑफ disappearance of reactant B कितना है बच्चा ना माइनस dB by dt ताले प्रोडक्ट हला डिसअपियरेंस बा कंजम्पशन मन रखिबो सेमती रेट ऑफ अपीयरेंस और फॉर्मेशन रेट ऑफ अपीयरेंस of product C कितना बचा ना प्लस DC by dt सेमती रेट ऑफ अपीयरेंस of product D will be equal to plus DD by dt. So this is how the rate of appearance of the reactant are found out. Negative sign रहिबो माने it shows that it is being disappeared or it is being consumed. तो दुईटा वर्ड यूज हेइ छुआ rate of consumption or rate of disappearance of the reactant. सेमती पॉजिटिव साइन अछि माने they are appearing or they are being formed. So rate of formation or rate of appearance of product will be there, rate of disappearance of reactant will be there. So you can calculate all of them by using this relationship. तुमको न्यूमेरिकल्स केमते आसीबो ना मोस्टली you will be given a reaction, mostly you will be given a reaction like this. Example दो बच्चा example the rate of disappearance of hydrogen in Haber's process is 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 mole per liter per second. Okay. The rate of disappearance of hydrogen in Haber's process is this much. So, it will be given to you. Find out the rate of appearance of ammonia. Ammonia को rate appear करिवो calculate करो. So question will be given like this. ताले step 1 we have to write down the balanced chemical equation. मन लिखिबा जेमति balanced chemical equation हम start करछु you have to start like this. Okay. तेनु कोन हबो Haber's process माने कोन N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to 2NH3 all are gaseous. ताको मेंशन करिवो छ हम मेंशन करनी nitrogen 1 mole combines with 3 moles of hydrogen to form 2 moles of ammonia. So this is the use of balanced chemical equation. ताले rate expression बाहर करिया छुआ rate expression केते हबो लिखि साइड ऑलरेडी minus dN2 by dt with respect to ammonia minus 1 by 3 dH2 by dt with respect to hydrogen with respect to ammonia केते हिजबो ना plus 1 by 2 dNH3 by dt क्वेश्चन कोन दिया छि छुआ यू हैव बीन गिवन द वैल्यू ऑफ माइनस ds2 by dt कोन रेट ऑफ डिसअपियरेंस दिया छि सो रेट ऑफ डिसअपियरेंस माने केते माइनस ds2 by dt इज दिस मच यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज dns3 by dt ओके सो फ्रॉम दिस वी कैन यूज गिवन केते दिया छि गिवन दैट रेट ऑफ डिसअपियरेंस माने कोटा दिया छि माइनस dh2 by dt is equal to 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 moles per liter per second. ताले you have to find out what is plus rate of appearance of ammonia केते हिजो d ns3 by dt is equal to how much. So using this relationship we have to find out what is the value of this one. Look, this is the value is given, so 1 by 3 of this value is equal to 1 by 2 of this value. You have to find out this value. Okay, eta use kari ki chua ei value bahar kariyo. So this is assignment number 1. बुझेला chua, using this value you have to find out this. Question कोन पछाइ छै देखो, find out the rate of appearance of ammonia. That means plus dns3 by dt you have to find out. तुमको balance chemical equation नु rate expression दे दीची. So these three are same and this value is given to be this one. कोन mole per liter per second. So using this value you have to find out this one. So this is your assignment number 1. You can easily solve this. So ei type of question asibo chua mane rakhibo rate of disappearance is applicable for the reactant, rate of appearance is applicable for the product. Reactant pai minus sign ta rahibo, product pai plus sign ta rahibo. So first balance chemical equation likhibo, you have to write down the balance chemical equation. So from this next step you have to write down the expression of rate with respect to all, that means both reactant as well as product. Expression of rate bar karibo. So from this you can utilize the rate expression to find out any given value. Okay, so you solve this. This is the assignment number 1. Next I will be giving you 2 more assignments. Okay, so next students, these are the next 2 assignments. What assignment dechi I have already given you 1 assignment. Assignment 2 for the reaction has been given, balanced reaction has been given. तुमको कष्ट भी करिया पड़िबनी. Balanced chemical reaction दिया है. So from this the rate of appearance of O2, because O2 is a product here, then कौन होगा rate of appearance or formation. So rate of appearance of O2 is given. So you have to find out the rate of appearance of NO2 and rate of disappearance of N2O5. Nitrogen pentoxide ro disappearance बाहर करियो rate and nitrogen dioxide रो rate of appearance बाहर करियो. So you can easily solve it कहिची. So what is the first step? From the balanced chemical equation you have to write down the expression of rate for all with respect to reactant as well as product. Likhi do age. So from this value the rate of appearance of O2, that means plus dO2 by dt is given to you. So using this value you can easily find out the rate of appearance of NO2, that means dNO2 by dt, and rate of disappearance of N2O5 minus dN2O5 by dt you have to find out. So I can you can do it easily, I think so. So next assumes again I have balance chemical equation दिया है. So from this balance chemical equation the rate of appearance of nitric oxide is the product here, then appear karibo is given to you. That means dNO by dt is given to you. You have to find out the rate of disappearance of the reactant. Ki action the reactant? Ammonia or oxygen. So you have to find out the rate of disappearance of ammonia minus dNH3 by dt, and rate of disappearance of oxygen minus dO2 by dt. So these are the assignments which you can easily solve. तेणु किसी डरिबार नहीं, आराम से सॉल्व करि परिबो. प्रोसेस सेम रखिबो. बैलेंस केमिकल इक्वेशन फर्स्ट लिखिया दरकार. तुमको दिया है चलो, इट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन टू यू. सो फ्रॉम दिस राइट डाउन द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ रेट. सेटा ठीक कि लिखि सिक्छ आ कुछ असुविधा हबो नहीं. सो यू हैव टू सॉल्व इट एंड सेंड इट टू मी बाय टुडे इवनिंग. ओके, सो यू हैव टू सेंड इट टू मी बाय टुडे इवनिंग. नेक्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस सम बेसिक्स ऑफ थ्योरी ऑफ रिएक्शन रेट. Basics of theory of reaction rate. So next students, I told you we will discuss the theory of reaction rate. Theory of reaction rates. So I told you in the first class, no deduction is required here. We will only discuss the basics of this theory. केवल theory रो basics विषय में पढ़िबा. No derivation is needed in this case. So कहिछि आमे पढ़िबा कोन collision theory of reaction rate. We will discuss collision theory of reaction rate. Collision theory So first let us know what is collision theory. कही छुआ in the chemical reaction there are two species present, दुईटा species थांती. There are some reactants which react with each other to form some products. किसी reactant थांती जो माने कि परस्पर संग react करती product form करती. So in order to form the product, what should the reactants do? Reactant कौन करिया उचित? Now they must collide with each other. So first step you have to understand, in order to take part in the chemical reaction, the reactant molecules must collide with each other. So परस्पर संग धक्का खाइबा निहाती दरकार. Why? Assume करो माने करो छुआ दुईटा रहिला, ये हला H2, it combines with I2, another reactant. They are the reactants. What they form? Now they form Hi plus Hi. So these are the reactants, reactants, and these are the products. कौन change mark करछो छुआ? So here the bond was present between two hydrogen atom and two iodines. So old bond जोड़ा थिला एठी अछि की the old bond has broken, new bond has been formed. So that is the basis of collision theory. So in order to participate in a chemical reaction, the reactant molecules must collide with each other. सेमाने परस्पर संग धक्का खाइबा निहाती दरकार. Then what is the purpose of collision? Now so that the old bond present in the reactant molecule थिबा पुराना bond टा भांगिबो. काहे कि भांगिबो ना जेमति प्रोडक्ट पे नुवा bond टा फॉर्म हे करियो. So that the old bond present in the reactant molecule can break in order to form new bond for the product molecule. So that is the sole purpose. So number one, you have to remember, in order to participate in a chemical reaction, the reactant molecules must collide with each other. And what is the purpose of collision? Now the old bond present in the reactant molecule must break. Okay, must break so that new bond can be formed. But one of you single step reactant product को जानती नहीं. मझे पे intermediate step अछि. Intermediate step का होगा देखो, भलो को मार्क करो. मु सब पूरा डॉटेड आकार देखि छी. So all the bonds are shown as dotted ones. ता माने कोन इटा इंटरमीडिएट रिएक्टिव इंटरमीडिएट और इंटरमीडिएट स्टेज एटा इंटरमीडिएट स्टेज आबे जाको को एक्टिवेटेड कॉम्प्लेक्स कहबो व्हाट इज एक्टिवेटेड कॉम्प्लेक्स. सो एटा होची मीडियम बाय इंटरमीडिएट स्टेप मझामझी स्टेप कोन होईची ना देखो छुआ ओल्ड बॉन्ड्स हैव स्टार्टेड ब्रेकिंग पुराना बॉन्ड भांगीबार हो जाईची न्यू बॉन्ड्स हैव स्टार्टेड फॉर्मिंग. ताले रिएक्टिव इंटरमीडिएट कोन हुए ना पुराना बॉन्ड भांगीबार हो जाईथाय नुवा बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन स्टार्ट होइथाय. सो दिस इज the reactive intermediate known as activated complex. अब कौन कहबा छुआ this is called activated complex. Activated complex कौन होची ना where the old bonds have started breaking. देखो ए बॉन्ड टा एठी भांगीबार हो जाईची ए बॉन्ड टा भी भांगीबार हो जाईची न्यू बॉन्ड्स एठी जोड़ा अछि the new bonds have started forming. So the intermediate reactive intermediate or reaction intermediate is known as activated complex. And it is having highest energy. ये होछु सबटु अधिका एनर्जी. आ जानिछो एनर्जी और स्टेबिलिटी विथ रिलेशनशिप दे आर इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल. और जत्ते अधिका एनर्जी हबो स्टेबिलिटी सेते कम हबो. एंड लीस्ट स्टेबल लोएस्ट स्टेबिलिटी ता माने एई फॉर्म रे ये बेसी समय रही परिबो नाही. एटा कोन हबो ना इमीडिएटली ब्रेक करिकि प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म करिवो हैला. सो this is the basis of a chemical reaction. So the reactant molecules must collide with each other so that the old bond present in them must break so that the new bond for the product molecule can be formed. ताले गोटे स्टेप रे होय नि गोटे intermediate form हुए. So the an intermediate is formed which is known as activated complex and which is having highest energy and lowest stability. ता माने बेसी समय ता रही परिबोनी immediate टा ब्रेक करछु. Point 3. So while discussing law of mass action, the theoretical concept of rate of reaction मु कहितली छुआ we assume that all the reactant molecules participate in a chemical reaction. कहितली तुमको all the reactant molecules participate in a chemical reaction. हम ताको धरि नछु. This is a theoretical concept. But practically कोन होय ना all the reactant molecules never participate in a chemical reaction. काहे कि ना हम कहि छी छुआ purpose of collision is that the collision should be effective. That means all the collisions are not effective. तो सब तो collision हम effective कहिबानी. What is the purpose of collision? Na the old bond must break. तो जब old bond टा न भांगिला से collision purpose solve हलानी. So our purpose is not solved when the old bond is not broken. That means in order to break the old bond, the collision must be effective. So that is the next point. So the collision taking place between the reactant molecules must be effective. So effective hithiba darkar, no hale old bond ta break kariboni, new bond form hei paribo nahi. Then how the collision would be effective? No, it should be energetic. It should be energetic. Jetebele energetic molecules guda parasपर सह धक्का खाइबे, then the collision will be effective, the old bond will break. That means there is a qualifying norm for the reactant molecule to participate in a chemical reaction. एबे कहली तुमको theoretical concept law of mass action कहूची जे all the reactant molecules participate in a chemical reaction, but practically experimental concept कहूची a selected number of reactant molecules participate in a chemical reaction. Okay, so there is a qualifying norm for them. What is the qualifying norm? We will discuss in the next class. So this is the basis of chemical reactions. I have already explained you the graph between potential energy and reaction progress. तक आउथर देखी नहीं थी वो. So go through that graph again. That will decide the qualification of reactant molecule to participate in a chemical reaction. Say graph रू तुमे कही परिबो which reactant molecules will qualify to participate in a chemical reaction, which will not. So students, this is for today. See you in the next class. Thank you very much.